SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor Online Training. Introduction to PROS Smart CPQ. SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor (SAM) is a comprehensive tool designed to provide deep visibility into the performance and health of your servers and the applications running on them. It helps IT administrators ensure that their infrastructure is operating efficiently, identify potential issues before they become critical, and maintain high availability for business-critical applications. Key features of SolarWinds SAM: Comprehensive monitoring. Server monitoring. SAM monitors a wide range of server types, including physical, virtual, and cloud servers. It supports both Windows and Linux environments, offering insights into CPU, memory, disk usage, and other essential metrics. Application monitoring. SAM can monitor hundreds of applications out of the box, including web servers, databases, and email servers. It provides in-depth metrics for applications like Microsoft Exchange, SQL Server, IIS, and Oracle. Customizable alerts. SAM offers highly customizable alerting capabilities. You can set up thresholds for various performance metrics, and when these thresholds are breached, SAM can notify you via email, SMS, or through integration with other IT management tools. Performance and availability dashboards. SAM features intuitive dashboards that give you real-time insights into the performance and availability of your servers and applications. You can quickly identify bottlenecks, resource utilization issues, and application downtime. Application dependency mapping. This feature allows you to map out the relationships between applications and the underlying server infrastructure. It helps in understanding how different components interact, which is critical for troubleshooting complex issues. Built-in templates. SAM includes a vast library of pre-configured templates for monitoring various applications and servers. These templates simplify the setup process and allow you to start monitoring your infrastructure quickly. Custom scripting and monitoring. In addition to built-in templates, SAM supports custom scripts for monitoring. You can use PowerShell, Python, and other scripting languages to create custom monitoring scripts that suit your unique environment. Automated discovery and deployment. SAM can automatically discover servers and applications within your network, making it easier to deploy monitoring across your environment. This feature helps in keeping your monitoring up to date as your infrastructure grows. Root cause analysis. SAM's comprehensive monitoring capabilities allow it to perform root cause analysis by correlating data from various sources. This helps in quickly identifying the source of performance issues, reducing downtime. Scalability. SAM is designed to scale with your environment. Whether you're monitoring a few servers or thousands, SAM can handle large and complex environments, making it suitable for organizations of all sizes. Integration with other SolarWinds tools. SAM integrates seamlessly with other SolarWinds products, such as Network Performance Monitor, NPM, and Virtualization Manager, VMN, providing a unified view of your IT infrastructure. Key features of SolarWinds SAM. SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor, SAM, is a comprehensive tool designed to provide deep visibility into server and application performance. Here are some key features. Comprehensive monitoring. Server monitoring monitors both physical and virtual servers across various operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Unix. Application monitoring monitors a wide range of applications, including databases, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, web services, Active Directory, Exchange, and more. Customizable dashboards and alerts. Customizable dashboards. Users can create tailored views of their IT environment to monitor critical metrics in real time. Advanced alerting allows setting up complex, multi-condition alerts that notify the appropriate team members via email, SMS, or other channels. App Insight technology. Deep application monitoring. App Insight offers deep visibility into complex applications like Microsoft Exchange, IIS, SQL Server, and more, providing in-depth metrics and performance data. Performance monitoring and analysis. End-to-end visibility tracks the performance and availability of applications and servers, helping identify issues before they affect end users. Performance analysis provides historical performance data and trends to help troubleshoot issues and optimize performance. Out-of-the-box templates. Pre-built monitoring templates includes over 1,200 pre-built templates for monitoring a wide variety of applications and services, enabling quick and easy setup. Custom monitoring templates. Users can create and modify templates to fit specific monitoring needs. Hardware health monitoring. Real-time monitoring monitors the health of hardware components like CPU, memory, disks, power supplies, and more to prevent failures. Vendor support supports monitoring for a wide range of vendors, including Dell, HP, Cisco, and IBM. Cloud monitoring. Hybrid environment support monitors applications and servers hosted on premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments. Cloud integration integrates with cloud services like AWS and Azure to provide visibility into cloud-based resources. Automated discovery and dependency mapping. Network auto-discovery automatically discovers and maps applications and their dependencies, helping in understanding the impact of application failures on other services. Application dependency mapping visualizes the relationships and interdependencies between different applications and servers. Scalability. Enterprise-grade scalability designed to scale from small environments to large enterprises, handling thousands of nodes and applications. Integration with other SolarWinds products. Orion Platform Integration seamlessly integrates with other SolarWinds products like Network Performance Monitor, NPM, Virtualization Manager, VMAN, and more for a unified IT management experience. Architecture and Components Overview of SolarWinds SAM. SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor, SAM, is a comprehensive tool designed for monitoring the performance and availability of servers and applications. It provides deep insights into your IT infrastructure, ensuring that all components are functioning optimally. Below is an overview of its architecture and core components. 1. Architecture Overview. SolarWinds SAM typically follows a client-server architecture, where the main components include Orion Platform, the core platform that integrates with other SolarWinds products. SAM is built on this platform, leveraging its centralized management, data collection, and reporting capabilities. Polling engines, these are responsible for collecting data from the monitored servers and applications. Polling engines can be categorized into primary polling engine, installed with the Orion server. It collects data from network devices, servers, and applications. Additional polling engines, used in large environments to distribute the polling load, improving scalability and performance. Database server, all collected data is stored in a SQL Server database. This database is critical for historical data analysis, reporting, and trend analysis. Web console, the user interface through which administrators interact with SAM. It provides dashboards, alerts, reports, and configuration options. Orion agents, lightweight agents deployed on target servers to monitor system metrics and application performance. Agents can be particularly useful in environments where agentless monitoring is not feasible. Remote collectors, these are deployed in remote locations to gather data and send it back to the central Orion server, useful in distributed environments. Two core components. Application monitor templates, predefined templates that provide a starting point for monitoring different types of applications. Each template defines the specific metrics, thresholds, and scripts used to monitor a particular application. Server and hardware monitoring, SAM monitors both physical and virtual servers, including CPU, memory, disk usage, and hardware health, like temperature and fan status. AppInsight, a specialized component within SAM that provides deep monitoring for critical applications such as SQL Server, Exchange, and IIS. AppInsight delivers detailed metrics, including database performance, mail queue statistics, and web server traffic. Custom Application Monitors allows administrators to create custom scripts or use community-created templates to monitor less common or proprietary applications. Performance counters and metrics. SAM gathers detailed performance metrics such as CPU load, memory usage, disk I/O, and application-specific metrics like query response times or transaction rates. Alerting and reporting. SAM offers customizable alerts that can be triggered when performance thresholds are breached. The reporting module allows users to generate detailed reports for analysis and compliance. Integration with other Orion modules. SAM can integrate with other SolarWinds modules like Network Performance Monitor, NPM, Virtualization Manager, VMAN, and Storage Resource Monitor, SRM, providing a unified view of the entire IT infrastructure. 3. Data flow. Data collection. Polling engines or Orion agents collect data from servers and applications. Data storage. Collected data is stored in the Orion database. Data analysis. The Orion platform processes the data, applying thresholds and analyzing trends. Alerts and notifications. Based on the analysis, alerts are triggered and notifications are sent to the administrators. Visualization. The web console displays the data in dashboards, graphs, and reports for easy interpretation and action. Server monitoring capabilities of SolarWinds SAM. SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor, SAM, is a comprehensive tool designed for monitoring the performance, availability, and health of servers and applications in diverse IT environments. Here are the key server monitoring capabilities of SolarWinds SAM. 1. Comprehensive server monitoring. Multi-vendor support. SAM supports monitoring across various server types, including Windows, Linux, and Unix. It offers out-of-the-box templates for monitoring physical, virtual, and cloud-based servers. CPU, memory, and disk monitoring. SAM tracks vital server resources like CPU usage, memory utilization, and disk I/O, helping to identify potential bottlenecks or capacity issues. 2. Application performance monitoring. Wide range of applications. SAM monitors a wide variety of applications, including databases, SQL Server, Oracle, web servers, IIS, Apache, email servers, Exchange, SMTP, and more. Application dependency mapping. It provides insights into the relationships and dependencies between applications, services, and underlying infrastructure. 3. Real-time alerts and notifications. Threshold-based alerts. SAM allows users to set custom thresholds for various metrics, triggering alerts when those thresholds are crossed. Customizable notifications. Alerts can be sent via email, SMS, or integrated with ticketing systems. SAM also supports escalation policies to ensure critical issues are addressed promptly. 4. End-to-end visibility. Server Health Dashboard. The tool provides a centralized dashboard that offers a holistic view of server health across the entire IT infrastructure. Performance analytics. Historical data is stored, enabling trend analysis, forecasting, and capacity planning. This helps in proactive management of server resources. 5. Automated discovery and mapping. Auto-discovery. SAM can automatically discover and map servers and applications in the network, reducing manual setup and ensuring up-to-date monitoring. Topology maps. Visualize server and application relationships with topology maps, helping to quickly identify the root cause of performance issues. 6. Virtualization monitoring. VMware and Hyper-V support. SAM monitors virtual environments, providing insights into the performance of virtual machines, VMs, and the underlying hypervisors. Virtualization-specific metrics. It tracks metrics such as VM CPU ready time, memory ballooning, and storage latency, essential for maintaining a healthy virtual infrastructure. 7. Cloud and hybrid environment monitoring. Public cloud integration. SAM supports monitoring of cloud services like AWS and Azure, offering insights into cloud-based servers and services. Hybrid monitoring. It provides a unified view of both on-premises and cloud resources, facilitating management of hybrid environments. Customizing monitors and alerts of SolarWinds SAM. Customizing monitors and alerts in SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor SAM involves several steps to ensure that you receive the most relevant information for your environment. Here's a guide on how to customize these features. 1. Customizing monitors in SolarWinds SAM. Create a custom template. Navigate to the SAM settings and select Create New Template. Define the components you want to monitor, such as specific services, processes, or performance counters. Use script monitors if you need to monitor custom metrics or execute specific scripts. Modify existing templates. Go to SAM Settings, Manage Templates. Select a template and click on Edit. Add or remove components, adjust thresholds, or tweak polling intervals based on your requirements. Custom pollers. Utilize Universal Device Pollers, UNDP, to monitor custom SNMP OIDs. Create a UNDP and assign it to nodes to gather data from specific MIBs. Application Dependency Mapping. Use the Application Dependency Mapping feature to visualize and monitor the relationships between applications. Customize the monitoring parameters for each dependency to align with your specific environment. 2. Customizing alerts in SolarWinds SAM. Create custom alerts. Navigate to Alerts and Reports, Manage Alerts. Click on Add New Alert. Define the conditions for the alert, such as when a component monitor exceeds a threshold. Set up trigger actions, like sending an email, triggering a script, or escalating an issue to a higher tier. Modify alert thresholds. Customize alert thresholds within the application templates or directly within the alert configuration. Use dynamic thresholds to adjust based on historical performance data, reducing false positives. Alert suppression. Set up alert suppression rules to avoid unnecessary alerts during maintenance windows or when dependent services are down. Advanced alert logic. Use advanced alert logic to combine multiple conditions, example, CPU usage greater than 90% and memory usage greater than 80%, to trigger alerts. Utilize custom properties to create more granular and tailored alerts. Integrate with external tools. If needed, integrate SolarWinds SAM with external incident management or ticketing systems like ServiceNow to automatically create tickets based on alert conditions. Real-time performance analysis of SolarWinds SAM. Real-time performance analysis in SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor, SAM, is crucial for maintaining the health and availability of your IT infrastructure. Here's how SolarWinds SAM facilitates real-time performance analysis. 1. Real-time monitoring dashboards. Customizable dashboards. SolarWinds SAM offers customizable dashboards that provide real-time insights into server and application performance. You can monitor key metrics like CPU, memory, disk usage, and network activity. AppStack Environment View. This feature offers a real-time, visual overview of the entire application stack, helping you quickly identify and troubleshoot performance issues across servers, applications, and supporting infrastructure. 2. Performance metrics and alerts. Threshold-based alerts. SAM allows you to set thresholds for critical metrics. When these thresholds are breached, you receive real-time alerts via email, SMS, or within the SolarWinds dashboard, enabling you to respond promptly. Performance counters. SAM monitors performance counters across different servers and applications, providing real-time data on CPU load, memory usage, disk I/O, and more. 3. Application Dependency Mapping. Real-time mapping. SAM maps application dependencies in real time, showing how different applications and services interact. This helps in identifying bottlenecks or performance issues related to dependencies between applications. 4. Event logs and real-time analytics. Log and event correlation. SolarWinds SAM collects event logs and correlates them with performance data to provide real-time analytics. This helps in understanding the root cause of performance issues by correlating events with performance anomalies. Real-Time Process Explorer. This tool provides real-time insight into processes running on your servers, allowing you to identify resource-hungry processes that may be impacting performance. 5. Synthetic Transaction Monitoring. Real-time user experience. SAM includes synthetic transaction monitoring to simulate user interactions with applications in real time. This helps in identifying performance issues from an end-user perspective, such as slow response times or downtime. 6. Reporting and historical data. Real-time and historical reports. SolarWinds SAM provides both real-time and historical performance reports, enabling you to analyze trends and identify recurring issues. Capacity planning. By analyzing real-time and historical performance data, you can make informed decisions on capacity planning, ensuring that your infrastructure can handle future loads. 7. Integration with other SolarWinds tools. Integration with NPM and DPA. SolarWinds SAM can be integrated with other SolarWinds tools like Network Performance Monitor, NPM, and Database Performance Analyzer, DPA, for a more comprehensive real-time performance analysis. 8. Custom scripts and templates. Custom monitors. SAM allows you to create custom monitors using PowerShell, VBScript, and other scripting languages, enabling real-time monitoring of specific performance metrics tailored to your environment. Best practices for optimizing SAM performance. Optimizing software asset management, SAM, performance is crucial for ensuring that your organization maximizes the value of its software investments while minimizing risks. Here are some best practices to help you achieve optimal performance in SAM. 1. Accurate and comprehensive inventory. Automated discovery tools. Use automated discovery and inventory tools to ensure all software assets are tracked. Regularly update these tools to capture new installations and changes. Centralized asset repository. Maintain a centralized and up-to-date repository of all software assets, including licenses, contracts, and usage data. 2. Effective license management. License compliance. Regularly audit and reconcile licenses to ensure compliance. Use tools that automatically track usage against licenses to identify under- or over-licensed software. License optimization. Identify unused or underused licenses and reallocate them where needed. Consider using concurrent licensing where appropriate. 3. Regular audits and reporting. Scheduled audits. Perform regular internal audits to ensure that software usage aligns with licenses and company policies. Real-time reporting. Implement real-time reporting capabilities to monitor software usage and license compliance continuously. This helps in early detection of any issues. 4. Automated processes and workflows. Automation in SAM processes. Automate repetitive tasks such as license renewals, software requests, and compliance checks to reduce human error and improve efficiency. Integration with ITSM tools. Integrate SAM with your IT service management, ITSM, tools to streamline processes like software requests, approvals, and deployment. 5. Vendor management and negotiations. Effective vendor management. Regularly review vendor contracts and negotiate better terms based on actual usage data. Consider consolidating software purchases with fewer vendors to leverage volume discounts. Renewal planning. Plan renewals well in advance to avoid last-minute renewals, which can lead to unfavorable terms. 6. User training and awareness. End-user training. Educate end users on software policies, including the importance of compliance and the process for requesting software. SAM awareness programs. Conduct regular awareness programs to keep users informed about the SAM process and the importance of maintaining compliance. 7. Performance monitoring and optimization. KPIs and metrics. Define and monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as license utilization, cost savings, and compliance rates to measure the effectiveness of your SAM program. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and refine your SAM processes based on performance data and emerging industry best practices. Why choose ProExcellency for SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor online training? Choosing ProExcellency for SolarWinds Server and Application Monitor (SAM) online training can offer several benefits, which may include expert trainers. ProExcellency often employs trainers with extensive experience in the IT industry, particularly in network and application monitoring. This ensures that you are learning from professionals who have a deep understanding of SolarWinds SAM and its real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses are designed to cover all aspects of SolarWinds SAM, from installation and configuration to advanced monitoring techniques. This ensures that learners can grasp both the fundamentals and more complex features of the tool. Hands-on experience. The training may include practical labs and exercises that allow you to gain hands-on experience. This practical approach can help you better understand how to use SolarWinds SAM in real-world scenarios. Flexible learning. ProExcellency might offer flexible scheduling and online access to training materials, which is ideal for working professionals. You can learn at your own pace, balancing your studies with your other commitments. Certification preparation. If you are looking to get certified in SolarWinds SAM, ProExcellency's training may include preparation for certification exams, helping you to enhance your credentials in the IT industry. Post-training support. Some training providers offer post-training support to help you with any questions or challenges you face after completing the course. This can be a valuable resource as you begin to apply what you've learned in your job. Affordability. ProExcellency might offer competitive pricing, making high-quality training accessible to a wider audience. Additionally, the value provided through their comprehensive training might justify the cost. Positive reviews and reputation. If ProExcellency has positive feedback and a good reputation for their training programs, this can be a strong indicator of the quality and effectiveness of their courses. Thank you.